yesterday. All my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know, she wouldn't say.
Un teatre en anglès. Com sabem que així tot el món domina l'anglès perfectament, per això hem fet este teatre. Si algú no sap exactament anglès, cosa que dubte, es compte ràpidament de què va. És una obra en la que un rei, un poc egoista, que sols pensa en ell, que sols pensa en què se ficarà, encomana un tratge que no tinguin a ningú, un tratge diferent a tots. I aquest tratge diferent a tots realment tenia algun tipus de trampa. I suposa que la descobriran, perquè està claríssim. Ho expliquen en anglès perfectament els alumnes de cinquè que han fet un gran esforç, junt amb Maria José i Chelsea, que han estat allà ajudant-los en l'idioma. I ja, sense res més, donem pas al teatre. Posteriorment, un concert del cor i després vindrà el segon part que els explicarem. Gràcies i que ho passem.
The theater or football?
He only likes clothes.
He had lots of clothes and suits.
He had a suit for every day and every hour. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 10 o'clock.
One day, 4 men arrived in the city.
They were very bad men.
They were liars.
We can make a beautiful. The colors are beautiful, but not everyone can see the colors. The colors are invisible to stupid people.
I want a suit made of this glue. I want a beautiful suit. I want an outfit with people. I will pay lots of money for one.
The emperor gave the men money and materials.
The men pretended to work hard, but they didn't do anything.
I want to know how my suit looks. But what if I can't see? Everyone will think my friend. He's smart and honest. Please.
and clothes, and the bad men continued to pretend to work.
I want my suit. Annabelle, please look at my suit.
Everyone in the town was talking about this cloak.
The emperor finally decided to see it, so he went to visit the men.
I cannot see anything. This is terrible. Am I stupid? Am I a good emperor? It is fantastic. It is very beautiful.
The bad men continued to pretend to work all night.
They pretend to cook and sew, and until finally